When plotting on a graph, on the x-axis, I'll take the strength. So this is my 0 megapascal. This is my 10 megapascal. This is my 20. This is 30. This is 40, 50, 60. Let's say that is 70, 80, 90, and 100. You can go up and up, but I don't expect more than 100 MPa will occur. So this is my megapascal. And on the y-axis, I'll plot how many cubes are showing this much of strength. Before going into this, I want you to know how the sample in a population behaves. So let's say that you have got a population in your city, and out of that you took around 10,000 people and you are doing certain study. Let's say that you are studying about their average height. So you will see that out of those 10,000 people, the majority of the people will show a particular height. Let's say that that is a 5 feet height. Okay. So majority of the people will show the height around 5 feet. So it might not be exactly 5 feet. It might be 4 feet 11 inches, 4 feet 10 inches, 5 feet 1 inch, 5 feet 2 inch. Okay. But it will be around 5 feet. And there will be people that will be shorter in the height. So let's say that they are 3 feet, 4 feet, and there will be people that will be taller in the height, let's say 6 feet and 7 feet. However, the proportion of these people will be low. Okay, they will be less, but they will be there. The same thing also happens over here. The majority of the concrete cubes will show a particular strength. Let's say that out of the 100 cubes, let's say that 40 cubes show a strength of 40 megapascal. Around 40, not exactly 40, around 40. So for the simplicity, I'll just take a point. However, it is around 40, okay? So majority will show around here, and there will be cubes, the concrete cubes that will have strength lesser than 40 megapascal, and there will be concrete cubes that will have strength higher than 40 megapascal. So this will not fall drastically, it will fall gradually. So let's say that out of the 40, 15 cubes then show a strength of 30 megapascal, and 10 cubes show a strength of 20 megapascal, and similarly there will be cubes that will show strength lower than 20 megapascal. So why this happens is that when you make a mix, there might be some concrete cubes where the curing didn't happen properly, or where the mix wasn't made properly, or where there was a problem in transferring the concrete, and due to which it lost the strength. So due to this reason, this will fall gradually. Okay. And same thing will happen. So there will be concrete cubes where the mix happened very much well, and the concrete was also rich, and due to this reason they will get certain higher strength than the 40. So let's say that a 15 got 50 MPa, let's say that 10 got 60 MPa. Okay, so if you join these points, so you will get this kind of curve, and this we call as the, okay, so this should be here. So this we call as the bell-shaped curve, and bell-shaped curve, and this distribution we call as the normal distribution. So why we are talking about this distribution? Because the characteristic strength depends upon understanding the distribution. So you got the curve like this by plotting all your data on a graph. So from here up to here, so this is my 100% of the area, which means that it incorporates all the concrete cubes, the 100 concrete cubes. From here up to here, let's say that this incorporates 5% of the area, which means that out of the 100 cubes, this area incorporates 5 cubes, or the 5% of the total area. So corresponding to this point over here, this line that incorporates 5% of the area, you get the strength, that is 20 MPa. And this 20 MPa we call as, this is the characteristic strength, characteristic strength of the mix that we made. Okay, the mix that we had made earlier, so this is the characteristic strength. So this shouldn't be 10, so I'll just take it over here, 10, somewhere around here, so that this is valid. Okay, so what we understand by the characteristic strength? The characteristic strength is defined as the strength of the concrete below which not more than 5% of the test results are expected to fall. Okay, so that is my characteristic strength. So this is denoted by FCK, and whenever we say that the strength of the concrete is 20 MPa, 20 megapascal, we say that this is M20 concrete. So we'll talk about this grade in detail. So now you understand that what this M20 means over here. So it means that this is a concrete whose characteristic compressive strength is 20 MPa. And you know how this 20 MPa has been determined. And that, my friend, is the characteristic strength of the concrete.